Okay, what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to change my distributor cap, which is right here, and put a new one on. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is get these bolts out. Now that I got that and that loosened up, let's see if I can move this. And now, okay, you guys, I forgot to replace this, which drops down inside there. So I'm going to take these four off so I can move this over to the side. I do have to loosen up these bolts again. All right, I think we'll just undo these and come back to it. Okay, so I'm loosening up these. All right, we got that one's done. And this one done all the way. Okay, we got them both undone. So now, what do I do with that other wire? Where's that wire? Where'd it go? There's 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. Where'd I put it? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So that one's 4. We're going to take that 4, keep that 4 off. And we're going to take 1 off. Oops. So, oops. Oh. So that's 1 that I counted, that I marked 1. This one's 2. And this one, whoops, wait a second. Make sure, oh crap. Where'd my, it's not marked anymore. What's this one? That's 1, okay. This one's 2. And I'm gonna put that, okay, that's 2. And this one is 3. Now, once I get these off, I'll be able to lift this up, okay? And then I just have to pull this out. Now it says just pull it out and drop the other one in. And it's not wanting, to pull out. Oh, shoot. Okay. See, this has got to go in here. It's supposed to just drop in, and the other one's supposed to just pull out, and it ain't coming. Okay, I gotta figure it out. Okay, so I'm having a lot of trouble getting this rotor out of this distributor. As you can see around here, it looks kind of rusty. And this is the new one. It's supposed to drop in there. I had a friend say to try to put some WD-40, spray some WD-40 up there. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Let's see. And so now also I've been told to take flathead screwdriver and work my way. Let's see. I got it. Oh, almost got it. I got it up some. Okay. Let's see. There. Oh, I almost got it. Yay. It's working. All right. Let's see if we can do it this way. Ah, oh, shit. Oh, excuse my language. The only side I'm able to get up under here. I got it. There you go. That's the old one. Now, there's only one way this will fit on. See that little, can you see that little thing right there? That's got to fit right there. Okay, so I got that all the way down. Now, look at how bad this other one was. It's pretty black. Okay. So now I have to put the cap back on. And that fits on. Okay, you guys, so now that I've got the rotor in there and everything, I am going to screw these screws back into the to connect the cap to the distributor. Okay, and then the other one, there's two that you do that with. This one on the inside and then the one on the outside. Make sure you get it lined up. There we go. And it's on there tight. Now I'm going to take my plug wires and put them back where they were. So, let's see what number's on this one. This one is number 1. That goes right here. This one is number 4. I'm not going to do that one yet. I want to do them in order. Let me see. Where's my other one? Where are they at? Oh, there's one. This one here is number 3. No, shoot, it got rubbed off. Let me see. Let me look at this one. Okay, this one here is number 2. This one here is number 3. Make sure they clip in. You hear that little thing there. Now, let's start her up. See what she sounds like. that's how you change your distributor cap and the rotor inside. Have a great day, because you know you can explore everything. Peace.